Вопрос такой, как вам у нас в Баске? Не холодно?
I would like to know, how do you like it here?
It's wonderful. It's beautiful. A little cold, but
Еще такой вопрос для вас. Вот наши гости одели тюбетейки татарские. Как смотрится, как вам вот они в наших тюбетейках?
This is
Мужчины.
a national men's Tatar clothes. So, how do you like it here?
I think Maltese is especially beautiful, but I do like it.
Вот есть команда звезда.
Thank you. The roses and one row. Who is your captain?
I guess that'll be me.
Okay.
So, how do you like it here? What about weather?
The weather is fine. I'm from Michigan, so snow is normal.
Yes.
So, but it's fun.
Fine. Thank you. What about our rooms?
Once again, just like Michigan,
It's like just home, yes.
just like home, home sweet home. Very similar.
Thank you.
Спасибо. И у нас четвертый тур, это уже, может, после третьего тура, значит, третий тур, итак, счет у нас 3 points,
Yes.
и команда The Rose 3, 1 row.
One throw.
Окей. 3 points.
Also 3 points.
Четвертый завершающий тур.
Also, we would like to suggest you off round about Alibaba, about this museum.
Да. Первый вопрос про музей Алифба. Когда был основан этот музей Алифба?
When was the museum based on?
Established.
Okay, when the museum was established? When? No, established, you're asking for a date or a year. Вот основание, да? So they're asking for year of establishment, when the museum was established.
А еще, Илья, вот хочется спросить у них, как они произносят это слово Алифба?
Anybody wants to pronounce word Alif Ba? Come on, Chris, you can do it. How do you sound like? Alif Ba.
Alifba.
Nice. Maybe you would like?
Alifba.
Yes.
Так, второй вопрос. Кому посвящен музей Алифба?
Who is this museum devoted to?
Кому посвящен? Кому посвящен? Автору татарской музыки.
Who was the author? Are you ready?
Consider it good. We're gonna be two guys, and we'll make sure you can read. We're gonna be.
If you can read the one behind you, you will. I can read that. That's a bit actually. No, my daughter doesn't speak.
Сейчас. Да, время.
Dear guests, the time is up, and the last question of this round.
И у нас последний вопрос, да? Сейчас, они не готовы команду.
So if you're done, you miss one.
They're taking too long, it's the music's on.
Whatever the friendship with.
Mahalo.
I got excited.
Boom, boom, ba-dum.
Итак, последний вопрос. Когда появилась татарская письменность?
When did the Tatar handwriting appear? Handwriting.
Век.
Tatar handwriting. What century exactly?
Об этом говорили.
We talked about this.
It's my new friend over here.
All right. Very nice. 19.
Сразу.
Okay, one more time. Time's up.
Done.
We were done.
Just contemplating.
Ну, так, общий счет.
Dear guests, so in a few minutes we will take to our jury. At first, I would like to say that we hope you like this game. This game is very popular among pupils, students, and teachers of our district, and is played every week. It is very popular. Yes, and also we hope that you will like it here in Ask. And we always like when people come here. We always like yes, and we are waiting for you also in other years. Thank you.
Ну и мы, наверное, перейдем к результатам этого тура, 4-го тура. Да.
Fourth round.
Так,
The results of fourth round.
команда
The rows and one throw.
Yes. 3 points. Команда Stars. 3 points плюс за скорость 1 балл.
Plus 1 point for
Speed.
for your
Good speed.
That was somebody else.
Команда,
So the results of our game.
да, команда, значит, у нас
The rows.
yes, 12 очков.
12 points.
Команда Stars 12 плюс
12 plus 1.
Wow!